Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Chevy Tahoe LT. Under the hood's a V8. This one comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, running boards, Tahoe badging, a beige leather interior, captain's chairs for the rear, third row seating. Coming around back here, we've got a trailer hitch. Again, Tahoe badging, Premier, a power liftgate, fresh set of floor mats. Those third row seats do fold down. Come along back here. We've got our rear climate controls. Coming up front here, we've got our power windows, our memory seats, Bose sound system. Looks like we got some parking assist here and lane assist. Power seats. Steering wheel controls. Let's go and start this up. Got a rear backup camera. Climate controls, heated seats, cup holders. This vehicle has 23,639 miles, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this, check out feldmanimports.com.